Hi guys, and welcome back to another tutorial on the DCR portal. In this tutorial we'll be looking at simulating with an AI user. So I've already pressed the simulate button, and what you can see here is that you're actually able to add friends. Unfortunately I have 0 friends at the moment. It's because this is a test environment, but we have AIs that are able to simulate other users, which you can use in your own simulations if you're doing them alone. So there are 2 types of users, and one user is the aggressive user, which we'll be looking at today, and the other one is the lazy user. What the lazy user is programmed to do is actually only react to executing tasks if the task is pending, uh, which was what we saw in the previous tutorial with the a task with the exclamation mark when a response connection is attached to it. But we don't have uh, we won't be having the lazy user in this task. Or actually, maybe we can invite both of them. That's what we'll do. All right. Yeah. The aggressive user, he will always execute a task if it's possible for him to do so. So let's see here what we can do if we assign the aggressive user as the employee, and we can assign the lazy user as the finance. And I'll just be doing the rest of the roles. All right. So what we can see just happened actually was that the aggressive user as the employee was able to perform the task of creating a new expense claim. So that's what he did straight away. And I can go ahead and approve the expense claim as the manager, and actually only because the lazy user was had a role where it actually had to perform the task. It had the exclamation mark. That's the only reason why he actually performed the task. We can see here if we restart the simulation, the aggressive user will of course do the simulation or execute the task as he was supposed to do. But if we the lazy user, actually he's able to reject the claim because his role is finance. But since he's a lazy user, he'll only do it if the task has an exclamation mark. So yeah, I'm just gonna for some for trying something else, I'm going to reject the claim. Maybe as finance, maybe as a manager, but the manager can always change his mind and go ahead and approve the claim, and then we'll see that the lazy user will pay out the expense claim. So that was simulating with a AI, and thanks guys for watching, and I'll see you in a later tutorial.